Google just dropped a bombshell. The Pixel 9a hits US shelves April 16th, and it's already trending hard. At just $499, this budget beast is packing an AI-charged camera and a beefy battery, ready to take on mid-range iPhones and Samsungs. Want the scoop? Let's roll! Hey Tech Squad! The Google Pixel 9a is officially locked in for April 16th at major retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Priced at $499, this mid-range champ is stirring up serious buzz, and for good reason. We're talking a 6.3-inch OLED screen with 120Hz smoothness, a Tensor G4 chip, and a 5100 mAh battery that Google claims lasts over 30 hours. That's a big upgrade from the Pixel 8a, and it's got wireless charging to boot. The real star? That AI-boosted camera. It's rocking a 48-megapixel main lens with a wider aperture for killer low-light shots, plus a 13-megapixel ultra-wide. Add in tricks like Add Me to sneak into group pictures and macro focus for up-close detail, and this thing's a photography powerhouse. X is lighting up with fans saying it's the budget rival to beat. Some even claim it's outshining the iPhone 16e's single-lens setup and Samsung Galaxy's A56. One post called it the mid-range king of 2025. Bold words, but it's not all hype. There was a delay from March due to component glitch, which is now fixed. Google's betting big with 7 years of Android updates, starting with Android 15. At $499, it's $100 cheaper than the iPhone 16e and neck with Samsung's mid-rangers, but with more AI smarts. Could this be the steal of the year? So, April 16th is D-Day for the Pixel 9a. It's sleek, it's smart, and it's ready to rumble with the big dogs. Are you grabbing one or sticking with Team Apple or Samsung? Hit the comments and let me know. I'm dying to hear your take.